Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
It drops off significantly right here, so be careful. Like, that's a fucking cliff. Bro, come here. You good? I told you, bro. Come on. Grab that. I told you. You good? You full of water?
Yeah.